This is day one of our Code Central camps, and we're going to talk a little bit about how we get started on this fantabulously epic Monday morning. Look at all these students who have arrived a little early, getting ready to get started. Hi, Vicky! So before we get started, obviously, we need to go over the rules and orientation, get a little introductions in so that way everyone is set up for success. After that, we go over the agenda. What are we doing each and every hour? After that, they get started on their projects. We've got ourselves our VEX table right here for all robotics. We've got ourselves some 3D modeling. We've got arcade game development, a little bit of Minecraft, and of course, we also have Oliver over here just having a grand old time. And that is day one of our Code Central summer camps. Tune back in for our later days as we show off all the cool and epic things that everyone is working on. Bye-bye! Welcome to day two of our Code Central camps. Let's take a look and see what's going on. I came in a little bit later today to take a look at what everyone is working on. First off, we got Max with a crazy site that he made using VEX pieces. Melody is helping out with one of the students on 3D printing stuff that they use using our 3D program. Ezra, super excited to show us off all of the different Minecraft mods that he's been working on. This is one of his codes, and then when he's going to click over here, you will see all of the mods that he's already done, and it's only day two. We also have Oliver, who's super excited to show off his Frogger game that he made in our arcade game development course, and that is just a little taste of what all of our students have been working on. We've got more updates to show everything that goes on in our Code Central life. Bye bye, bye bye. This is day three of our Code Central coding camps, and on this fabulous Wednesday, we are going to be doing something a little bit different, which is some tie-dyeing of our camp t-shirts. Each student follows whatever design that they would like and folds it up to match that design, or in some cases, some students will just crumple it up and call it a day. Once they've got the design that they would like, they then proceed to tie it up with some rubber bands in order to maintain its shape, and even the instructors got in on the folding action. We have a tie-dye section where we have all of our colors ready to go. Our instructor, Melody, is the designated tie-dyer for this week. She first goes and wets each shirt individually in some warm water, and then students will choose the colors that they would like for their shirt, guiding the instructor through the design color patterns that they are hoping for, and then afterwards putting it into a Ziploc bag in order to maintain and preserve everything for Friday when they bring it back. And that is that. See you tomorrow! This is day four of Code Central coding camps, and let's do a quick check-in on some of our students' projects because they're going to be showing them off tomorrow, so we got to make sure they're in tip-top shape. One of our students has been 3D modeling and printing them off each day, and then even takes them home and colors them up. Look at that, that's so cool. We have a student who's been working on his VEX robot, and it is pretty much done. Just a couple of minor little tweaks, and it's coming right at you. Oh no! Oliver's Frogger game is also pretty much done, which is a couple few bugs that he's run into. But apart from that, he's pretty much done and is moving on to other projects. But this project, he's able to cross the street, avoid those things crossing the street, and get to his objective. Another student's modding in Minecraft. He has a ton of different customizations and retextured a sword, and that sword is called the Emerald Sword right there. And of course, we have so many other students and so many other cool things that we've done, but there's only so much time. Bye-bye! This is day five, our final day of camps. I've got my tie-dye shirt on, and we're wrapping things up in a nice little bow. Everyone else is also wearing their tie-dye t-shirts. Look at that. Look at all the swag and the style. They're feeling especially photogenic right now. Max is absolutely loving the camera with his new shirt. We are getting our certificates ready for all of our students with a little bit of an extra superlative so they feel nice and appreciated. We've got our pizza party here. Pizza. A quick little bit of thank you. First off for Dylan for being our student volunteer. Oliver for being super photogenic. Every time camera pointing at him, you know it's a good time. Super high thank you for Vicky for all of her knowledge on the content to make sure all of our students' projects are working. Super duper thank you to Melody for keeping the timeline in check and making sure everything gets done. Thank you to all of our students who are having such a grand old time. We love working with you all. Thank you for coming to our Code Central camp. Bye bye!